Hey everyone! Today I'll be explaining something that most of us deal with. Why do we get hungry so fast right after we eat carbs? I won't be giving some random tips or how you can control this. We are only going to discuss the actual science behind this that are based on recent research papers. I'll explain 5 reasons behind why do we get hungry again after we eat carbs. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. Hi, I'm Aditi. I'm certified in food and nutrition and currently pursuing masters in nutrition science. My goal? Well, it is to make people believe that health should be their topmost priority, which can be achieved through simple lifestyle changes in order to ensure overall wellness. Researchers did a study in which they compared foods that are high in glycemic index with the foods that have low glycemic index. In this study, they explained that foods that are high in glycemic index are processed differently in our body. What really happens is when we eat food that is high in glycemic index, our blood sugar level spikes up really fast and then after some time it drops again. This is the reason why we feel hunger right after we eat carbs that contain high glycemic index compared to those foods that are low in glycemic index. Now, glycemic index is about how fast a food can raise our blood sugar level. For example, when we eat food that is high in glycemic index, then our blood sugar level will spike really fast. But when we eat a food that is low in GI, then our blood sugar level will spike with a really slow and steady pace. And we all know that refined carbs and sugar are high in glycemic index. It's like if we eat sugar in the breakfast, then right after eating it, we will feel hungry because our body will process it differently as compared to those foods that are low in glycemic index. So, through this study, we can clearly see that how carbohydrates that are high in glycemic index is directly linked with feeling hunger right after eating. If you want more information, then you can go through the research paper. Link is in the description. Okay, let's talk about another reason, which is about the study that found how high glycemic index foods can affect our brain and then we end up feeling more hunger. The researchers found that those who ate high glycemic index foods felt more hunger in the late post-meal period. They also looked at their brain's image and found that the region of the brain which is responsible for cravings became more active. Let's understand this with a simple example. If we eat a snack which contains either excess salt or excess sugar, then we will not just feel hunger. In fact, we won't be able to resist more food as our cravings will become more stronger. So overall, this research says that when we eat foods that are high in glycemic index, our brain's reward system becomes more active than before and then we eventually feel more hunger. So basically, the more high GI foods we eat, the more hungry we get. Simple. Now, there is a research paper that explains how different types of meals that are either high in carbs or high in proteins or high in fats can affect our gut. The researchers found that high carb foods produce low GLP-1 after meals compared to high protein or high fat foods. Now, if you got confused about what really is GLP-1, then understand this. GLP-1 is the one that tells your brain that you are full and you need to stop eating. So now you can connect the dots. When we eat foods that are high in proteins or fats, then our gut hormone patterns become stronger, which is directly linked with longer satiety, meaning we feel full and satisfied for a longer period of time. But we can see the opposite effects when we eat foods that are high in carbs. Basically, foods that are rich in carbs does not make us feel full longer, and this is the reason why we feel hungry right after we eat high carb foods like sugar. So overall, if we eat foods that are high in protein or fat, we feel satisfied for a longer period of time. But when we eat foods that are high in carbs, we still feel hungry. If you want to understand this more deeply, then you can go through the research paper that I have provided in the description. Do check it out. There is an interesting study that compared liquid carbs with solid carbs and tried to figure out how people adjusted their later intake. Researchers concluded that liquid carbs does not stay longer in our stomach, and because of this, our fullness signals become weak. But solid carbs stay longer in our stomach as compared to liquid carbs, which triggers fullness signals. So basically, if we drink carbs like sweet beverages, then we will end up feeling more hungry again. But when we eat solid carbs, our stomach sends fullness signal to our brain and we do not feel that much hungry after as compared to when we drink sweet beverages. So this research paper explains a simple point. Liquid carbs make us feel more hunger than solid carbs. A meta-analysis compared whole grains with refined grains and confirmed that whole grains can reduce hunger and cravings as well. Whole grains increase our satiety, and that's why we feel full longer as compared to refined grains. So if you feel instant hunger right after eating refined grains, then there is a simple explanation for this. Refined grains produce short-term satiety effect. For example, when you eat refined grains like white bread, you will still feel hunger. But when you eat whole grain bread, you feel more satisfied. Not fully satisfied, but still better than that refined white bread, right? If you want to understand this deeply, then you can go to the research paper whose link is in the description. So, to summarize it, if we are still feeling hunger after eating carbs, then it's not just our brain. Research shows that high carb foods, especially refined carbs, can lead to blood glucose spike and crash. It can increase our cravings and can even make our fullness signals weak. Liquid carbs also fail to satisfy and make us feel full, and refined carbs are even worse. I hope that now you have the clarity about why do you feel hunger so fast right after you eat carbs or drink sweet beverages. Understanding the science behind this will not only help us in making better and healthier food choices, but we can have better control on our hunger as well. Do let me know in the comment section, out of those 5 reasons, which of them do you think is more common and affecting a lot of people? And if you found this video useful, then do like this video and share it with your friends and family so that they can also get an idea about why do they feel instant hunger after they eat high carb foods. If you want more such videos, then do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to be updated. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, peace out and remember, wellness over everything. Thanks for watching.